In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add AI to Google Sheets using SheetGPT. This tutorial will guide you through each step you need to take so that you can seamlessly integrate AI functionalities into your Google Sheets, enhancing your spreadsheet experience with powerful AI-driven insights. Let's get started by opening up Google Sheets. If you have one or use it frequently, you'll already be familiar with its layout and functionalities. When the sheet is ready, you'll want to look for the menu option at the top that says Extensions. This is where we'll be accessing and managing the various add-ons that can enhance our spreadsheet capabilities. Next, after clicking on Extensions, you will see the Add-ons option. Hover over this and you'll be presented with several options, one of which is Get Add-ons. Click on Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, where a world of extensions is available to supercharge your Google Sheets. With the Marketplace open, use the search bar at the top and type in SheetGPT. SheetGPT is an add-on that leverages AI and ChatGPT functionalities directly in your sheets, making your data management smarter and more intuitive. Once you see SheetGPT, AI, and ChatGPT for Sheets, TM, in the search results, go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll want to install SheetGPT, so click on the Install button you see on the pop-up. As part of the installation, you'll be prompted to sign into your Google account. Select the email address associated with your account and click on Continue to grant the necessary permissions for the add-on. After selecting your Google account, you will need to allow the necessary permissions for SheetGPT to integrate fully with your sheets. This step involves clicking on the Allow button after reviewing the permissions required. These permissions are crucial, as they enable the add-on to function properly by accessing necessary data within your sheets. Once you've allowed these permissions, click on Next to finalize the setup. Then click Done to finish the installation. You can now close the Google Workspace Marketplace screen, as the add-on is now installed and ready to be used within your Google Sheets. Back in your sheet, you can begin using SheetGPT by typing "8GPT" followed by your query or the task you want the AI to assist you with. This function acts like a formula that you would typically use in Excel or Google Sheets, but is powered by AI, providing more dynamic and insightful results. After typing your query, simply hit the Enter key on your keyboard. This action prompts the AI to process your request. You might need to allow a few moments for the AI to generate the results, depending on the complexity of your query and the data involved. And there you have it. A powerful tool is now integrated into your everyday spreadsheet work, capable of streamlining processes and providing insightful data analysis right from within Google Sheets. Enjoy your enhanced experience with SheetGPT.